We're going to do a quick tutorial on how to get your Eclipse program up and running and a little bit of an overview of your Project Zero Modern Art. So you have your Eclipse icon down here. We're going to start that up. Begins the program. We're going to open up our workspace, launching that. As that begins to load, I'm going to take you to your project specs. So we are on our website here underneath projects. We have Modern Art P0. Project overview. We're going to create a Java program called P0 Modern Art, and inside that we're going to create a class called Modern Art. And we're going to use this class with a main method to create some designs like this particular output here using print line and print methods. So let's go back to our Eclipse and see how that's doing. We are now up and running. So over here on File, we're going to select File, New, Java Project. I believe I have a Project Zero Modern Art, so I'm going to have to name it a little bit different. P0 Modern Art. Remember using camel casing, and I'm going to do it as 2 because I already have a Modern Art. Down here to Finish. Next is you're going to go back to that folder that I just created, that project, that I just created. I'm going to right click on it and expose some new options. Go to New, Class. Now this class is going to be named Modern Art. Again, using camel casing. And I'm going to import the method, my main method right here, by selecting that box right there, hitting Finish. Now you should see a new class open up, Modern Art, and inside this main method right here that is between these brackets, you will use your print line and print methods to design some artwork. Now to do that, you need to do a print line. So that is a system.out.print, print or print line. And inside these parentheses here, your parameters. You're going to put a quotation, and you can put symbols in here or strings. So I might put in there a bunch of stars. Okay. After that, you need to put a semicolon at the end. You should note that there is no red underlines anywhere. So I'm going to run that here. Down in my console, you see that I did print out those stars there. So now I'm going to do another line. So a shortcut to your print line method is SYSO control space, and it will do that for you. Again, inside the parentheses, you need to put quotations saying that you are going to make a string. Now I can put anything in here. I can put words, and I can run that like we played with the strings earlier. But I might want to have symbols to work with that art project. And I put some spaces in here. Maybe a couple there. You probably want them to line up a little bit. Now I run that, and I should hit the run button, and I should have 2 lines now. And I go into another one, SYSO control space. Inside my parameters of those parentheses, I put quotations, and I can do new designs. So maybe I can do even some lines. So maybe not sure, but you can do various designs. Run that again. Okay, you see I'm starting to get some sort of a design here. Let's go back to our project specs. Now they used stars only. You don't need to use stars only. You may use other symbols as you would like. And we will work on commentation and things of that nature here shortly, but that should get you started. Right now, there you go. That's a basic run through on how you can get your Project Zero Modern Art up and running. Hope that helps.